Hello guys. Yesterday, what we did a wave optics problem which had come in JEE Advanced. Today also we are going to do the same thing. And these are the real-time questions, and you can see these problems are not difficult at all. So JEE Advanced problems also, if you practice, then your coming JEE Advanced exam, it will be very helpful for you. So let us see what is the problem. I will read out the problem for you. An object is approaching a thin convex lens of focal length 0.3 meter with a speed of 0.01 meter per second. Find the magnitude of the rate of change of position and lateral magnification of image when the object is at a distance of 0.4 meter from the lens. So let us see what are, what are the parameters given in the problem. We are given this u, that is 0.4 meter, and focal length of the convex lens, that you know it is positive 0.3 meter. And one more thing which is given, that is our object is moving towards the lens with a speed of 0.01 meter per second. That means du by dt is also given, that is 0.01 meter per second, and it is also positive because it is going in the direction of the rays. Now let us see what we have to find out. We have to find out the magnitudes of the rates of change of position and lateral magnification of image. That means we have to find out dv by dt, and of course magnification, that is m. We have to find out its rate also, that is dm by dt. So these are the parameters given, and these are the parameters we have to find out. Now let us see how we are going to do this problem. First of all, let us find out v, because u is given, the distance of the object is given. Let us find out at this instant where is the image formed, and that we can find out from this formula you already know. And if we put these parameters, then if you solve this, then v will come as 1.2 meter. Means behind the lens it will be 1.2 meter. Correct? This image will be like this. Image we have found out, but what we have to find out is dv by dt. How we are going to find out that dv by dt? Let us see. dv by dt we can find out like this. We know this formula. And if we differentiate, it will become or dV by dt will be equal to V square upon U square and du by dt. Now, if we put the values here, dV by dt, V we know 1.2 square, U we know 0.4 square, and du by dt also we know 0.01. So that way, this we can find out. This you can calculate, and this will be your answer for dV by dt. And likewise, dm by dt for finding out, we know this is the formula of magnification, that is V upon U. And if we differentiate it with respect to t, then we know that this will be u dv by dt minus v du by dt upon u square. And if we put the value here, that is 0.4, dv by dt is the thing, but whatever value is coming, suppose this is x, then you can put x here. Then this is minus v, we know v is 1.2 meter into du by dt 0.01, it is already given, and of course u is 0.4. So I am not doing the calculation part you can do. Calculation part is easy. The only thing is how to crack the problem, that is important. So this also, you see, this question has come in 2004, and this is a JEE Advanced question, and it is pretty easy. So questions are very easy. The only thing is what you have to remove. You have to remove your mind block and solve them. As you have seen, time to time I have brought so many questions of pertaining to JEE Advanced, JEE Mains on this channel, and I will keep on doing this thing. This is my phone number. If you want to contact for any coaching or anything for any class, you can contact me. Of course, please subscribe my channel so that it can grow. Thank you very much. Till the next video. Thank you very much.